I found Kunal very professional. Event was designed very well. I told Kunal yesterday, I'm telling this to all of you. इतनी शादियाँ की मैंने इतने सालों में, इतना लंबा संगीत इतने लोग ने बैठ के 11:30 तक बैठ के देखा, which was compelling, which was excellent, extremely entertaining.
The Sangeet concept was very new. The whole channel concept, what he got this time, was very nice. It was something innovative, and especially Marwadi weddings. And it was like, as Viren said, everybody was glued to their seats till the end. Nobody went out even for food. So that is a very big thing, you know. It was very nice, very nice. Hard work from the entire team, I guess, from his side.
Honestly speaking, this is my first experience with the choreographer, and he's been very good, be it punctuality, be it planning the entire choreography. He's also a great host, so I know that we have like 11 weddings coming up, and he's the choreographer and host decided for all the 11 weddings. Thank you.
Superb. Really the best. I think these guys added a lot of experience for us in all of the events. I think we could have not expected anything better.
And the energy is unmatched. I mean, from start in the morning till midnight, and even if you call them at 3 or 4, I mean, yesterday my cousins, they learned at 1:30 at night. So you can imagine the amount of involvement and the hard work that they put in. It's really commendable.
Thank you so much. How was the Antakshari concept? Did you like it?
Yes, very nice. And people really enjoyed it.
People were engaged.
Yes.
Great.
Not just that, even in the entire... So, after the event, the DJ is supposed to be just random. But even that, you made it really... I mean, everyone was feeling involved. Because you called them by names, you danced with them. It was really nice.
काफी बहुत ही अच्छी, बहुत बढ़िया. मतलब अभी तक नहीं देखी ऐसी कोई.
नहीं, मेरे पास कोई शब्द नहीं है इस प्रोग्राम को मतलब बयान करने के लिए. इट इज़ वंडरफुल, फैंटास्टिक, माइंड ब्लोइंग.
का हर प्रोग्राम देखा हमने. इट वाज सुपर डुपर प्रोग्राम. जिस तरह से वो सबको इन्वॉल्व करते हैं, सबको पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए कहते हैं. इट्स वेरी इम्प्रेसिव एंड एवरीबडी स्टार्ट्स डांसिंग एंड प्लेइंग अंताक्षरी एंड ऑल. वी आर proud of कि we have so good anchor and so superb anchor with us.
बहुत बढ़िया है उनका, और आज तक मैंने ऐसा नहीं देखा जैसे कुणाल सर को देखा, और it's too good.
It was wonderful. One thing which I liked about the Kunal Butch anchoring was that he was with us during the whole ceremony. He was with us during practicing. He was with us when we were rehearsing, and whenever our personal functions were also going on. So that helps a lot to connect with the anchor as well as the choreographer. And I was a part of a very small dance performance, but yeah, it was very, wonderful having him with us, and it was a very cheerful event. And what made us do the dance was his willing to make us dance, and that made us dance being a better. So guys, really good. Things I really loved about him was very connected with the family. So brings the people together in the group. So really enjoy this stuff. Good job.
Awesome, that was damn good. I've never seen this choreographer in my lifetime. It's very good. It was very good.
It was fabulous, awesome, and very enjoyable. A minute is not boring, nothing. Full on enjoyment.
I'll simply say, Mr. Kunal Butch is simply awesome. Go for it. All the best.
हम सबको बहुत इंगेज रखा है, और लाइक डांस में भी नई स्टेप आते उन्होंने करवा के सभी को इंगेज रखा.
बहुत मजा आया.
We enjoyed a lot. Kunal, you're awesome. Sweet, short, crispy, very professional.
And spontaneous.
All the best.
We really enjoyed. We also do the comparing, so we enjoyed a lot.
Kunal Butch and his team is very experienced. They are like the professionals in this team, and you feel like you're dancing with the professionals. It doesn't feel like you're mature or something. It's very good. Anchoring amazing. He connects to the audience. It's like you cannot sit idle. When you see here, he's just behind you. He's talking to you. So it's very good, interactive.
It was awesome. I think Kunal took care of. He knew about each and every relation of the bride and the groom, and he made sure that they all are, once they are on the stage, they are given important. They basically treated like as an important person, and took care of each and every
member of the house.
every member of the house. The choreography sessions were awesome. Like they accommodated each and every time. Whether it was late in the night or early in the morning, those were also accommodated. Weekends, like most of the time, we were only available on the weekends, and that was also accommodated. That was very good.
Yeah, I've seen this guy from Harsh's wedding and Parth's wedding. I wish I had taken Kunal Butch for my own wedding, but I was too late because I had not seen his events till then, and I really love the guy. Thank you.
A very good person, first of all, and you never feel that you're training from a person who's like a trainer or something. He's like a family. Now, if you see, like he's like a family. Most of the functions of our friends and all, Kunal, family, nothing to worry. We have a lot of fun with him and all. The best person to anchor, to choreograph, lovely person.
Thank you, sir.
Kunal Butch choreography is actually someone anchoring and choreographing from a person who you know since a lot of years. Started off with Anuj's wedding to Sham's wedding, a lot of weddings. I've told him personally, I am signing you on for my wedding itself. Trust me, go for Kunal Butch. He's unbelievably good. Choreography and anchoring, top notch.
I wish I had taken him for my wedding. Okay, bro.
Go for it. Sounds good.
It was amazing experience. We didn't feel he was a choreographer. He was like a friend to us. We felt like more like a family. So it was a wonderful experience. We've done I think 4 to 5 sangeets with him, and they all were rocking.
We've been experiencing him since a long time, and it's been perfectly the best choreographed till now. And I've seen him all the practices, all the dance moves. He's up to the mark, and he's being there in all the practices. Nor his assistant now, but he's the best. Thank you.
He's always before us. We are always late.
But it was a fab job.
Kunal, you are great.
Lovely anchoring.
And we keep you missing every December, every November, whenever the marriages happen. Many Decembers in a row we've practiced with you, and it's been an amazing experience. So we expect you to see again in 2017.
For somebody else's wedding.
Yeah, somebody else's wedding. Please invite us. We'll be there. Love to see you everywhere. Because we love the way you teach us dancing.
One word. You're Salman Khan.
Oh my God.
You touch the heart. You are Jaan. Anything and everything, you just connect with the emotions, and I love you. You're rocking and rock star.
I think Kunal has amazing clarity of speech, but more than that, he's very friendly. He makes people happy. He spreads a lot of energy around, and he engages with people, and we don't realize how time passes quickly with Kunal around.
Hello, so this is Tanishka. I've already worked with Kunal in my own shadi. It is brilliant. Like, you can feel the atmosphere and everything is so positive. And it's the same with my shadi also. He's very, very, very diligent and very good in his sense of humor. Very good choreographer, as you all know. But he can give stars to good functions. Choreography, okay, I don't know what about choreography. You can search on YouTube about Kunal Butch. You can see some grooving steps like Michael Jackson. He's too good choreography.
Excellent, great arrangement, very nice. He is a fantastic choreographer. एक step आगे सिखाता है. Too good. He's very nice.
And as an anchor and a crowd captivator.
He is. He's great in it. He's too good in it. It was so nice last night, and he kept the people in the hall. Otherwise people scatter here and there. But in his case, it was not the case. Very nice.
It was just super fantastic. What comes to my mind immediately, having reviewed for such a wonderful team, is that गा सकूं कोई नगमा वो सास कहाँ से लाऊं, सुना सकूं कुछ आपको वो अंदाज कहाँ से लाऊं, चांद और तारों की तारीफ करना आसान है मगर कर सकूं कुणाल बूच और उनकी टीम की तारीफ वो अल्फाज कहाँ से लाऊं, वो अल्फाज कहाँ से लाऊं. It was just fantastic, super interactive, and the way they have just cheered the crowd and brought a different light and spark to the environment. So you are definitely looking forward to many more events with this team. Thank you so much.
He rocks. His team rocks. He's just superb. Thank you so much for making my program so well organized and absolutely fabulous. Mind blowing.
Okay, Kunal Bhushan Academy, it was a very nice experience because we as non-dancers, the way it was taught to us, it was not as strict as it is supposed to be.
like it becomes very difficult. And when it's a family function during Sangeet, you have all the family members coming together. It's a fun-filled occasion, and how he mingles with everything, not only Kunal Bush but the instructors, the way they mingle with the family members, they get into it, they make them comfortable, and then they teach. So be it any group, age group, be it youngsters or small children or maybe old ladies, he just mingles with them, and it's just fantastic the way he teaches and brings out the childhood from them. Thank you.
You making us dance. Exactly. Kunal and his team were just like a family to us. It was really amazing, very sweet and thorough professionals. Beautiful dance step.
Kunal is a nice person. He is very talented. और बहुत मजा आया, एकदम फ्रेंडली है, कुछ टेंशन नहीं है, कोरियोग्राफर जैसा कुछ है, बहुत प्यार से सिखाता है। I तो love it.
कोरियोग्राफर ही एक बहुत अच्छा इंसान है। उसके साथ 2 साल पहले काम किया था, तभी भी बहुत अच्छा लगा था, आज भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, और वो बहुत आगे तक जाएगा, मुझे उसको देख के यही लगता है हमेशा। वेरी गुड पर्सन।
इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, पैशन है और दिखता है, और कल का संगीत कुणाल ने बहुत हिट करवाया है। और यही एक रीज़न है कि लोग कुणाल बुश को बुलाते हैं और आपकी पार्टी को 4 चांद लगाता है। और एक सच्चे एंकर की यही खासियत है कि लोगों को बिठा के रखता है। और कल के संगीत में कुणाल वाज रॉकिंग, गॉड ब्लेस हिम, एंड देयर इज मोर टू कम फॉर कुणाल।
You were really good. You made us laugh and laugh and laugh. It was excellent. I mean, you are a good choreographer. You can anchor, a good anchor, of course, and you knew how to bind people together, and it was an awesome experience with you. And you are like a bye for us.
Yes, now with you.
Bye. You're rocking, boss. Keep it up. And everything was very well organized. Your anchoring was amazing with your shairis and everything. We are very, very impressed by that. So delighted to have rocking. All the best. All the very best. And definitely we're going to recommend your name.
Antakshari was amazing. We all had too much fun, and the anchoring for the Sangeet was awesome. And the whole choreography session, it was very nice. Thank you so much.
You should be less punctual.
There are issues with the punctuality like with us, but not from his side. My experience was lovely. Had a great time with Kunal, and he's an amazing host. Antakshari was very amazing. It was lovely fighting with the bride side and arguing with them, and trying to guess the songs and everything. It was lovely.
बहुत अच्छा लगा, एकदम मस्त। अंताक्षरी सुपर। ऐसी अंताक्षरी मतलब पहले कभी हमने तो नहीं खेली थी। टीम आपकी बहुत अच्छी है, सबको थैंक्स मेरी तरफ से कि हमने इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर पाए उनकी वजह से।
It was amazing. Choreography was flawless, and we enjoyed like anything. Anchoring was fantastic. Thank you so much.
The choreography was great. I just came last night, and in one night I was able to pick up all the steps, and everything was so good. We had a great time, and thank you for being here for us.
Thank you so much.
Kunal, outstanding, amazing, amazing.
Superb. We never
were not
expected.
expecting this much, but it was beyond the expectation.
We were not expecting in 2 rehearsals we could perform so well, but it is because of him.
Actually, the whole event went hit because of him.
Outstanding.
Oh, I love the flash mob idea, and the experience was quite easy for somebody like me who's a complete non-dancer, quite understanding, a little strict, but like a lot of personal attention was given to make sure the steps were fine, and in case if they were too difficult then the steps were changed, the positioning and everything was quite sorted. But it's a very fun and short and sweet experience. We liked it. Thank you.
Kunal, I think you've just been amazing compares. It's been too much fun to having been entertained from you, and just too much of high energy, excellent involvement and engagement with all the guests around, and I think you'll do really well. I would love to see you on the national television very, very soon. All the best to you, Kunal. You rock.
We had a great wedding, firstly, and thanks to yourself and Kunal. We picked up our dance steps in a heartbeat, and his emceeing skills are fabulous.
I love the concept. Kunal obviously does takes a lot of efforts to do his choreography, his hosting, and he's always successful in that. Perfect. Everything was good, lovely, loved it.